kung head ka ng TWG, bumili ka ng sasakyan ng laging panalong bidder, mahirap ipaliwanag
by this committee. Kasi otherwise, baka kayong magka-problema dito.
Your Honor would permit me
No.
to answer your...
No. Kung ano lang po yung tanong ko, nasagutin nyo.
The other members of this committee is about to come as well. So this hearing is now resumed. So we'll be discussing the continuance of our investigation on the House Resolution number 724 that was filed by Congresswoman Franz Castro, Congresswoman Arlene Brosas, and Congressman Raul Daniel Manuel. So the approval of the minutes of the previous meeting is hereby deferred for a moment, and we will be moving for the adoption of the said previous hearing, and we will proceed with the acknowledgement of members and resource persons. The Secretariat is hereby to acknowledge our resource speakers who have attended this investigation.
Thank you, Your Honor. Good morning. The following members are present today. Honorable Bonifacio L. Bosita of Party List 1 Rider. We are also the Secretary General of the House of Representatives is also here, Honorable Reginald Velasco. Good morning, sir. From the Department of the Interior and Local Government, Undersecretary for Public Safety, Yusek Serafin P. Barreto Jr. Morning, sir. From the Bureau of Fire Protection, the Fire Chief, Director Louis S. Poracan, accompanied by Chief Superintendent Jesus Fernandez. From the Bureau of Customs, Attorney Marlito Bugna and Yves Dexter Carcedo. From the Commission on Audit, Ms. Priscilla Rivera, OIC Director, Supervising Auditor Wilhelmina Maximo, and OIC Audit Team Leader, Michael Gifaya. From Banpisco Technologies, Mr. Bernard D. From Colonwell, Mr. Peter Gocheng and Ms. Wilma Lanzuela. From Clear Skies, Mr. Alfred Joseph Biscaida. From Palmer Asia, Attorney Fritzilin Palmeri. And from the Bureau of Bureau of Internal Revenue, Attorney Ron Mikel Uy. That's all for now, Your Honor. Thank you.
The concept is hereby directed to take the oath of those first time that have been invited on this hearing. So ordered. Sino po yung mga first time that have been invited?
Legal counsel.
Legal counsel, okay, not a resource person. So who are those who have been invited to? Wala. So we'll be proceeding with the investigation. So okay, the last time that we have conducted our investigation, so natapos ata tayo, if I remember it right, doon sa presentation ng video, no? Yun ata yung ating the last that we have discussed, no? Yung sa video. Siguro we would like to ask the Bureau of Fire to give us an update doon sa I think that was the investigation on that video that was presented by people representing those who have been the part of the bidding process. So, can you give us an update on this personality in the name of Mr. Gary Lunas? Yes. So what happened to this to the investigation that we have discussed in the last hearing.
To the honorable members of this committee, chaired by the chairperson, Honorable Dan S. Fernandez, Honorable Bonifacio Bosita, party list, one rider party list, our Secretary General of the House of Representatives, Honorable Reginald Velasco, other resource persons present, other national government agencies present. Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Magandang umaga po sa ating lahat. Upon presentation of the video during the last hearing, the Bureau of Fire Protection, upon direction of our Chief BFP, have relieved Superintendent Gary Lunas through Bureau Order dated December 13, 2023, and transferred him to other directorate of the Bureau of Fire Protection National Headquarters. And upon the direction of our Chief BFP, the Bureau of Fire Protection through our Internal Affairs Service conducted an investigation on the alleged wrongdoings presented before the video. But during the course of the investigation, the Bureau of Fire Protection finds no prima facie evidence on the acts of Gary Lunas, Your Honor.
Have you submitted to us the documents pertaining to your your comments on... So, ang sinasabi mo, walang prima facie.
Yes, Your Honor, we have already submitted the update on the administrative investigation date we dated 31 January 2024, Your Honor. As in the office of the committee secretary.
May I be allowed to siguro? Okay, so comments coming from the other side. Sige, comment mo na itong isang well, sandali. Before I allow you to speak, based on your submission dito ng Bureau of Fire, no? But I think, so walang prima facie, but, well, hindi naman tayo korte, no? We are not a court and we are not adhering to the rules of court and procedures of the regular courts. Our purpose here is to investigate in aid of legislation, and considering the rules of the actual court is concerned, is a matter that not to be strictly followed by this hearing, because in our procurement law there is the ethical standard that being observed by a public official. All public official must adhere to the highest strict compliance of code of ethics, and of course the integrity must always be observed at all times, and the different aspects of the work, no? This position that was competed to this person, Mr. Gary Lunas, being a chairman of the Bids and Awards Committee, not only him, for that matter, but all the departments of the national government, no? Basta chairman ka ng committee on Bids and Awards Committee, expected sa'yo yung highest form of standard, di ba? And it's include yung you have to consider at all times yung conflict of interest, yung bribery, and yung any form of influence for that matter. Kung wala kayo nakitang prima facie doon sa sinasabi nyo kay Gary Lunas, you are telling us that there was no direct link between that car with Pora? Ganun ba yung ibig sabihin natin dito? Or, di ba, ang sasakyan na ito, if I remember it right, was purchased by Gary Lunas from Cora, di ba? From Cora or an employee of Cora. Am I right? Please answer back.
Superintendent Gary Lunas is the chairman of the technical working group of the Bids and Awards Committee of the Bureau of Fire
So not the chairman of the PAC. It doesn't matter. As long as you're a member of the BAC. Uh, actually, yung ethical standard that we are following, all public official, it goes to everybody. Not only the BAC chairman or member of the technical working group, but specifically, it all states that we have to adhere to the highest standard of the code of ethics. We have to strictly follow it. But of course, in this comments, kasi may conclusion kayo dito na walang prima facie nga. That's the reason why you didn't file a case against him is because walang direct link. Yun yung most likely I have seen, kahit hindi ko pa nababasa, nakita ko na ang conclusion nyo is ganon, walang prima facie. So give us some, to convince us, bakit walang prima facie? Eh tayo ay mga public official and we expect that we will never be influenced. Di ba? At kung yung sasakyan ang galing, kahit sa empleyado yan ng Pora, mag-iisip tayo. There's a dot of, what do you call that? Propriety. Di ba? Dahil nga, nagkaroon ng any form of influence. Di ba? So, please answer that and convince us that your findings of prima facie is not acceptable by this committee. Kasi otherwise, baka kayong magka-problema dito. I'm telling you.
Mr. Chair.
Sige, Congressman Bosita.
Mr. Chair, siguro bago po nila tayo kumbinsihin, gusto ko pong magtanong. By the way, good morning, Mr. Chair. Good morning, Sir Jen. And good morning po sa ating lahat. Mr. Chair, siguro bago po nila kumbinsihin tayo na tama yung kanilang report
Prima facie.
na walang prima facie evidence against Colonel Gary Lunas ng file. May ilang mga katanungan lang po ako, Mr. Chair. Dito po ba Bureau Chief General ano ba pangalan ito? Purakan. General Purakan. Sa dami ng aming hearing sa dinadaluhan, di ko na ma-memorize. Anyway, mas matanda naman ako sa inyo. General Purakan, dito po sa inyong report na ginawang biddings from 2001 to 2022, may 5 biddings na naganap dito sa inyong fire trucks. Tama po ba?
That's accurate, Your Honor.
And out of 5 biddings, 3 dito, ang winning bidder, F. Pora Industries. Tama po?
That's correct, Your Honor.
Okay. Dito po sa ginanap na biddings, ang head ng Technical Working Group ng Bids and Awards Committee ng Bureau of Fire, si Fire Superintendent Gary Lunas. Tama po ba?
Yes, Your Honor. Superintendent Gary Lunas was designated head of the TWG. If Your Honor would permit me
No.
to answer your...
No. Kung ano lang po yung tanong ko, nasagutin nyo. So, ulitin ko po ang tanong ha. nung maganap yung 5 biddings, of course, prior do sa biddings, ang tanong ko po, si Fire Superintendent Lunas po ba ang head ng Technical Working Group ng Bureau of Fire sa Bids and Awards Committee? Yes or
Your
no?
Honor, yes, Your Honor, if you permit me to answer the question.
During the previous hearing, Mr. Chair, na brought out sa atin, allegedly, itong Toyota Fortuner with plate number NGX 6951 registered under the name of Mr. Eric Taguines ay nabili ito ni Mr. ni Fire Superintendent Gary Lunas, itong sasakyan na to. At sinasabi, Mr. Chair, na itong Fortuner na to, itong dating may-ari ay employee nitong F. Pora Industries. Ang tanong ko po, Mr. Chair, sa Bureau Chief, siyempre, nag-iimbestiga kayo. And ang naging issue dito ay yung integrity nitong inyong TWG. Dahil kung titingnan natin, kung head ka ng TWG, bumili ka ng sasakyan doon sa empleyado ng laging panalong bidder, mahirap ipaliwanag yon. Kasi pwede ka namang sa ibang car owner bumili. And during the previous hearing, Mr. Chair, tinanong po natin kay Fire Superintendent Lunas magkano, hindi raw po niya matandaan. Tinanong din po natin, ano ba yung arrangement? Cash or hulugan? Installment daw. Magkano? Depende. So yung mga sagot pong ganon ay sa atin na mga hindi naman kahapon lang ipinanganak, questionable na po yun eh. So ang tanong po, Mr. Chair, sa Bureau Chief kay General Puracan, kayo po nag-conduct na investigation, tama po?
Yes, sir. That's correct, sir.
Malinaw po ba sa inyo bakit kailangan mag-conduct kayo ng investigation?
The purpose of the conduct of investigation, sir, is tinitingnan namin kung may influence ba talaga yung position ni Colonel Gary Lunas as technical working group sa results ng pagpapanalo ng bidding or in the course of bidding. Sa findings kasi namin, sir, is yung function ng technical working group subject for review ng Bids and Awards Committee. So, ang final decision, sir, is yung Bids and Awards Committee.
By the way, Congressman, if I may interject, so who is the chairman of the BAC? Superintendent Jesus Fernandez. Okay. Sino ang vice chairman?
Manuel, Your Honor.
Manuel.
Yes, Your Honor.
Who are the members of the BAC?
Chief Superintendent Luis.
Luis?
Yes, Your Honor. Fernando Luis Conrad.
And then?
Chief Superintendent Abrenica, Your Honor.
Abrenica.
Yes, Your Honor.
So, apat kayo?
Chief Superintendent Dulot, Your Honor.
Dulot.
Yes, Your Honor.
So, 1, 2, 3, 4
Five members, Your Honor.
members. And the technical working group headed by Gary Lunas.
Yes, Your
Where
Honor.
is Gary Lunas?
He is already relieved as chairman of the head of the technical.
Still in the Bureau of Fire.
Yes, Your Honor.
You should have invited him to be here as well. Dapat nandito si Gary Lunas. Ba't hindi nyo sinama? And also these members of the BAC. Si Manuel, si Dublahis, Breni Kadulot, andito kayo lahat? Andito lahat? Andito lahat, ha? Si Gary Lunas lang ang wala. Oh, sige, please continue. Before you proceed, the chair would like to acknowledge the presence of Congresswoman Franz Castro, and I read the letter of Cora. Wala daw siya dito. And will be represented by Attorney Labito Baligon. Sino ba? I see, Attorney Baligon. So, later on, we'll be asking you, but we don't know yet if we will be allowing the lawyer to represent the actual, invited resource speaker. We will be talking with the members because this chairman will not decide on his own. So, I'll be consulting with the members.
Just a
Yes, Attorney Baligon, before
just a point of clarification, Mr. Chair.
yes.
I am not here as a counsel of FCURA, but a representative of the company.
Okay.
I have already submitted the special power of attorney executed by FCURA to the committee
Yes.
secretariat.
So the owner of the company is Pora. Siya pa rin.
Yes,
In other words, you were given by Mr. Pora the special power of attorney of the corporation.
that's correct, Mr.
And nevertheless, we will be discussing as well if we will be going to allow. Never that we allow the lawyers or the even given the SPA. But we will be talking about it in a later time. Okay, so please proceed.
General Purakan, after the investigation, nirelieve ninyo sa position si Fire Superintendent Lunas.
No, Your Honor. Before the investigation, Your Honor, we relieve him of his duties and responsibilities as member of the technical working group before the conduct of investigation.
Before,
Yes, Your Honor.
for what ground?
Para preventive, Your Honor, wala na siyang magagawa pa doon sa opisina, nag-conduct na. Parang preventive suspension on our part. But parang protocol po kasi natin, Your Honor, na pag may i-conduct tayo investigation, dapat nakaalis na yung tao doon. Yun pong ginawa namin, Your Honor.
Okay, so nirelieve ninyo bago kayo mag-conduct na investigation.
Yes, Your Honor. That's correct, Your Honor.
Okay, then after investigation, sinasabi ninyo wala siyang administrative offense.
Ang tinitingnan kasi namin, Your Honor, is doon sa may effect ba yung pagiging...
Excuse me,
Yes, Your Honor.
sagutin mo muna yung tanong ko.
May effect ba yung pagiging...
Excuse me,
Yes, Your Honor.
sagutin mo muna yung tanong ko. General Purakan. Diba nirelieve ninyo before investigation?
Yes, Your Honor. That's correct, Your Honor.
After investigation, sabi ninyo wala kayong ipapile na case na administrative case. Tama ba?
Yes, Your Honor. Based on the findings of the ES, Your
Okay.
Honor.
So kung after investigation, sinasabi ninyo na wala siyang administrative offense or violation, ibabalik ninyo siya o hindi?
Hindi na, Your Honor, kasi we have discretionary power naman as superior officers over subordinates. Doon na talaga namin siya. Hindi na namin siya ibabalik.
Kung wala siyang administrative offense, bakit ayaw ninyo ibalik dahil may discretion kayo? Ganun lang.
Whether we like it or not, Your Honor, may taint na doon sa pagiging assignment niya. Hindi lang talaga namin ma-prove na may effect yung pagiging assignment niya as TWG.
Huwag nating ano yung usapan natin, yung hearing. No. Hindi nyo ibabalik kasi naniniwala kayo. Questionable na eh. Dahil inamin niya na yung Toyota Fortuner na binili niya pag-aari ng employee ng Pora, di ba?
That's correct, Your Honor.
Ibig niya sabihin, wala kayo nakikita siya. Wala. By the way, na-prove na ba ninyo? Siyempre, nagkanta na investigation. Nag-submit ba siya ng documents pertaining doon sa Fortuner?
Based on the investigation of the ES, Your Honor, the name of the Fortuner is still in the name of the previous owner, and it was not declared until SALN doon sa findings ng IAS.
See? Tapos, putol na yung inyong investigation doon. Wala kayo sinasabi na, alam nyo, legally speaking, one, bumili siya doon ng sasakyan sa bidder. Laging panalo. Second, inamin na niya yan eh. Third, hanggang ngayon, nakapangalan pa. So, anong intention niya? Eh, di ba dapat legally kapag bumili tayo ng sasakyan, ita-transfer natin yung ownership? Tama po ba, General Purakan?
Your Honor, let me be specific. Ang tinitingnan pa namin dito, Your Honor, is nag-focus lang kami doon sa may effect ba yung pagiging assignment niya as TWG doon sa results ng procurement process kung may irregularity bang involved in the procurement process. Hindi namin siya ma-pin down doon dahil yung function niya as TWG is subject for approval and subject for review of the bids and award
Wag
committee.
muna po tayo pumunta doon sa functions ng TWG. Isa-isay po natin.
Yes, Your Honor.
Doon pa lang po, sa pagbili niya ng sasakyan, sa empleyado ng Pora Industries na laging panalo sa bidding, questionable na. And bakit hanggang ngayon pala nasa pangalan pa ni Mr. Taguines yung Fortuner? So doon pa lang po, tayo as a government employer, public servant, questionable na po yon sa usapang legal. And dapat sana may kaso na yan ng administrative case. Doon pala sa ginawa niyang yon, mali na po yon. And kung sasabihin po ninyo na hindi nyo ma-prove na may irregularity, mahirapan talaga kayo doon. Pero kung titingnan po natin talaga, being the head of TWG ng Bids and Awards Committee at meron siyang ganong relasyon sa employee, may problema na po yon. So, kailan po ninyo tatapusin ang investigation? Para kasi kung hanggang dyan lang yung investigation, mali, pero dapat balik nyo siya sa position. Oh,
Yung investigation namin, Your Honor, on the IAS is, as I said, Your Honor, doon kami nag-focus sa may effect ba yung assignment niya as TWG doon sa results ng procurement process, which is nakita namin hindi. Iba ito, Your Honor, doon sa may irregularity ba, may pananagutan ba siya sa pagbili ng sasakyan na hindi pa nakalipat doon sa pangalan niya at na-declare niya sa SALE niya. Iba
Kasi
po, Your
po,
Honor, iba yun, Your Honor.
with respect po sa iyo, parang sinordcut mo eh. Samantalang, ang dapat po sana, doon muna kayo mag-focus. Doon sa kanyang ginawa na pagbili ng sasakyan, doon sa empleyado ng Pora. Tapos, nakita naman ninyo, inamin na niya, talagang binili na niya.
Yes,
Hindi nga
sir.
natin alam kung paano binili. Eh, mukhang hindi bilihan yan eh. Dahil ng, sabi niya, installment, magkanong monthly, depende. Payable when able. Oh, doon pa lang po, may establish na ninyo, may administrative offense siya. Hindi dapat ginagawa natin yun eh. Then, yun yung i-connect mo dito sa... By the way,